how to find SWIFT code of Bank of Philippines island. So if you want to find the SWIFT code of Bank of Philippine, then just watch this video. So what you can do is simply head over to your browser. After that, you need to search for SWIFT code finder. Then you'll get various links. What you can do is simply go and tap on the very first link. You can head into any other link, but I'll just simply go with the first one for an example. Now here, you need to go and select the country. So under the country, you need to go with Philippines. After selecting, you need to go and select the bank. So in our case, it's the Bank of Philippines. After finding the Bank of the Philippine Islands, you need to go and select your city. And after entering your city, you need to go with Find SWIFT code, which will be in the bottom, and you will find the SWIFT code of that particular bank. That's how you can find the SWIFT code of Bank of Philippine Islands. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.